Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you if you're not able to share your location anywhere, which feature to on, right? For iPhone users, first you have to go to the settings. Now you have to slide and tap on privacy and security, where the first option is location services. Mine is on, but now if yours is not on, then you have to turn it on, right? And also tap on share my location and you will see for which apps your location is shared. In case you're not able to share still, then you have to check if is it mentioned in the list or not, right? And as you tap on share my location, you have to tap on this last option, share my location. You have to tap on the white dots to make it green, and that is how we do it. Make sure this feature is on to share your location in other apps as well, right? If it is not, it won't be possible for you to share. See you in the next video. Tada.